adventures. So today we're learning all about slime. Here's all my slimes I have for today. I have this special fairy slime, mermaid Hawaiian punch slime, grassy green slime, and then YouTube slime that we're showing us at the end because it's the most special slime. And so first I'm going to start off is with our fairy slime. I didn't want to call it fairy slime, but I just came to me. The glitter, the beads, they always wear that. They always do. So I got some slime today. Hear that crunch? Listen to that crunch. Ah, so nice. It's foldy, foldy, foldy. Look a roly poly. It's a good stretcher. Good stress relief. Maybe in my next episode I should put into a ball and squish it. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, now moving on to our next one. Next one we have is this mermaid chocolate one. La 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 la. I love it so much. It's so pretty because look at those scales. I just knew it doesn't look mermaidy. This looks like beachy. Like I try to make it blue, but kind of looks like black. Kind of looks black, like black and purple. I was trying to go blue and purple, but not like a grossy green color. But it has good crunch, and there's watermelon in it. Watermelon. Put it back in there. Bye-bye. Moving on to our next slime, which is my brother. So if you don't like it, just put in the comments. And then at the end, I want you to put in what is your favorite slime. Is it Nathan slime? I don't know why I call it grassy slime. Something like that right there. It's grass. It's like grass with rainbow beads. It's jelly beans! Jelly bean grass. Candyland grounding. I'm gonna give you a stretch. I know you all want that stretch. I just like it. And I'm gonna make a song about it next episode. No say here? Yeah, okay. You stay right here, watch it. Good satisfying creatures. YouTube slime. This is my last slime I have. Go make another one. And if you really like my slimes, you could actually put in a part. I could do a part 2. As you know, I am actually not wearing pajamas. These are not pajamas. Yeah. And we are not always staying here. We also might go on some adventures. So stay tuned for those episodes. Probably might be in a while if my mom wants to. Haha. Okay, guys. That's all we have for today. But let's see if Puppy has something to say before we go. Party said, can you see from the butter and bright? Sorry about that. I hate when Puppy sings. He's terrible at singing. So what about you go to sleep? Wow, that went easier than I thought. Now I have to go feed him some breakfast. But so see you tomorrow. See you next episode. Bye.